Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a vlog. Today it's Wednesday and I woke up very early, which was around 7, and I had to wake up and I wanted to film a haul for you guys, but right now anyway, right now I just got a call from my mom literally when I was just about to sit down and film. I had my makeup on like full beat. She called me and she was like, girl, you need to come here and fetch me at work. We need to go to Home Affairs. I totally forgot about it. It slipped off my mind. What's wrong? Okay, yeah, it slipped off my mind, and so yeah, and she just called me right now and I got ready, just wore a dress. I didn't have this hairband on. I'm having it on right now. So we're gonna get going to Home Affairs. There are a few things we need to do, and also to go to traffic department so that she can get her license renewed, because I'm tired of driving, guys. And yeah, so this is me right now. I'm starting this vlog and I'm still home. The last time I actually filmed, or yeah, the last time I did a video was when I filmed my apartment tour, and which was January. I don't know the date, but it was still in January, and a lot has happened in just a matter of time. So the whole of Jan I was not okay, and right now I feel like I'm getting better every day, and I really need to. Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted by my uncle. Focus, buddy. So yeah, man, today's a Tuesday and I just got ready. As I was saying, a lot has happened in a short period of time, and I went through a lot. Basically, as a family, we went through a lot, which is, my phone is ringing. Hello, babe.
Yes, okay.
Sharp winner.
Sharp. Guess what?
Anyways, my boyfriend just called me and it was just great news. This day is just getting better and better and better and better. But anyway, guys, yeah, man. So I don't want to blab or talk a lot on this particular vlog. But anyways, guys, anyways, yeah, I don't know what to say. I'll see you guys during the day, or when I fetch. No, actually, I'll see you guys later on in the day when I get up to do something, or just after we come back from the mall, Home Affairs and stuff. I'll see you guys later. This is so much better. Right, I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day because we look cute, so whatever. I'm joking, I don't look that cute. Let me shift this. Don't mind my room, it's very messy because I was just about to film. Anyways, I'm wearing this black dress. I'm sure you guys have seen it on my channel before. This is how it looks. I'm gonna wear those shoes right there. Those are my Ipanemas, and I'm just wearing this black dress. It's very gloomy outside, so I'm just wearing black. I'm wearing this headband and have my lipstick on. Don't mind my, what do you call this, my nails. So anyway, guys, I wanted to tell you guys something. I did buy a camera, as you guys can see. We have a new camera, we have some new equipment, which was very soon, to be honest with you guys. I didn't think I'd buy a camera anytime soon, but my mom, bruh, my sister, my boyfriend, those people. But anyways, yeah, man, I did buy a new camera. It's very new, and I forgot to unbox it. Or yeah, this is the G7X Mark III. It's a power short, whatever, I don't know, but it's very good. So far so good. I'm in love with it. So yeah, we have a new camera. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's very tiny and nice. But anyway, guys, let me get going. I'm tired of talking. guys, so today it's a different day. The last time I actually took this camera, it's not focusing. Yeah, the last time I took this camera and I decided to vlog was when I went to the Home Affairs, but I didn't vlog there. But anyways, today it's a different day. Today it's the 4th of March and I'm getting ready to leave this place. Anyways, I don't know what did I order, but I just got a weird message. Anyway, I just got like not ready, I'm lying, but I just prepared myself. Like I need to pack everything because I haven't packed anything, and I need to leave tomorrow, which is a Friday. Probably tomorrow or such, but actually tomorrow, let me not lie. But anyways, before I start packing or with you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful package, which is, it's written Eugene Couture, which is my what do you call this, my, no, I went to the optometrist because I really have a bad eyesight. Yeah, so I went there. It's in Pretoria in Montana, and yeah man, these are my glasses. I've been wearing them for quite a while, but I decided, you know what, let me show you guys the glasses. These are the glasses. And this is how they look. They look very good. Yeah, and they're written Guess. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this is how they look, and let me just try and show you guys how they look on me. You guys are so cute, but it doesn't matter. Evet, sehr gut. Sehr gut. This is how they look. So I'll be wearing them probably every day. I've been wearing them every day. Yeah, but this is how they look. And in this package I also got these ones. They are in this beautiful case. These are for driving because I drive a lot. And this is how they look. It's just this normal ones, even for the sun. And the other thing I got was these eye contacts. So yeah, I've been loving wearing this because I can see everything very clearly, read very clearly. So yeah, but anyway guys, let me start packing and stop talking because it's already 2:30, and yeah, my mom is coming from work very soon and she's gonna shout. I'm having some juice, so I'm gonna listen to music and you guys are gonna pack with me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pack everything. Probably I'll come back and take the other things some other time. So let's do this. Guys, look at how my room is looking like. Everything is messed. I managed to pack 2 plastics because I don't have bags, baby. I'm gonna pack in plastics. In this black bag, there's like my diaries and stuff. I still need to go to that cupboard there. Let me show you guys. That cupboard there. So yeah. And one thing about me, child, I shall never forget to pack my alcohol. So yeah, let me just turn this. So I'm not gonna forget to pack my alcohol. I packed my shoes already, so alcohol. Anyways, let me finish packing. I think I have flu, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And today it's a today it's a Sunday and we just woke up. We are really having a kind of bad day, I guess, because our fridge is not working and we bought a lot of food and it's probably gonna go to waste. But we are going to take it to my sister's house, and the fridge is brand new, by the way. But anyway guys, let me not stress you with my stress. Today I'm going to unbox my coffee machine. Because I'm a lover of tea, I'm a lover of coffee, I decided to purchase a coffee machine. So let's unbox it together and literally check if it's working. So this is the box. As you guys can see, it's written Nespresso. And this is how it looks on the outside. Okay, let me just put this here. And this is the, I'm guessing it's the milk frother. And this is how it looks. So on the package that I got, actually when I was buying this coffee machine, I got free, is it 100 capsules? It's 100, no? 100 free capsules of whatever they call it. I don't know what they call it. Yeah, so it's like, I think 10 flavors of each or 5. Here are all the flavors that I got. Yeah. So we're gonna check if this machine is working right now because we are literally very hungry. And so yeah, let's do this. So guys, we also received this capsules. I don't know if these are called capsules or what, but whatever they call them. And this is how it looks inside, and all the different types of flavors. And to be honest with you, I'm really craving to try the vanilla one or the caramel. So yeah, it's waking, guys. Hey guys, so welcome back. It's a few hours later and we did go by my sister's house to take the meat. So yeah, so we're back at our apartment and I'm gonna start cooking because we are very hungry and it's my first time cooking in this apartment. I mean, do you guys feel that? But anyway, so I'm gonna cook pasta and some chicken breasts, so I'm gonna let you guys cook with me, and yeah, let's get cooking. It's currently 6, I think it's 6 or yes, it's 18:04, and yeah, let's cook. And yeah man, let me show you guys all the ingredients I'm going to use for this meal, which is very simple, but hey, let's head. But anyway guys, let's start cooking. This is the pasta I'm going to use, as you guys can see. I'm also going to use this blue cheese sauce, some sweet chili, it doesn't want to focus, some mushrooms, some garlic, green pepper, onion, cheese, some spices. If you know, you know. Why is it not focusing? Some barbecue spice, some ground paprika, and some garlic. So let's do this. Hey guys, so we are back from the mall and I thought let me just unbox this little haul crew, a little grocery haul for you guys, because child, I don't know what's happening with this vlog, but it's just all over the place guys. It's literally all over the place. But anyways, so I made myself some cup of coffee. This is so good. Anyways, this is the bag that we got. We went to Woolies. These are just my contraceptive pills and stuff. First thing, we got bread, right? Get charger in. We got some white rolls. I got myself some pads. Ew. We also got this lamb rub. Yeah. We also got this marinade rice, soy and tamarind marinade bag, I guess. What is this called? Yeah, this thing for marinating the meat. This is how it looks like. We haven't tried it. It's our first time trying it, so we're going to make pork, even though we bought a lamb rub. I told you what?
Nah, I don't need this one.
Yeah, so we also do have a pork spice. Also got this burger mayonnaise mayo. I want to make wraps tomorrow, so yeah. Also got these Mal6 multi-seed wraps. This is how they look like. And we also got meat, which is the pork. We also bought cake because it's my boyfriend's birthday today, and this is how we're celebrating it, just buying cake. We also got tissues. So I decided that this little house, doesn't have flowers. It doesn't have man. So I decided to get myself this beautiful plant. I'm not good with plants because I've never had a plant before, or flowers or anything. So I decided to buy this beautiful, I hope you guys can see, this beautiful plant. This was $159, which is $160. It's called a lily, I guess. This is how it looks. It's very nice. It just came in this brown thing, but I'm just gonna buy a flower pot the other time. I don't know when. So yeah guys, that's my little haul. I don't know, I feel like this vlog is enough, or maybe I'll just do it again. We'll do this again tomorrow guys. So I need to clean this kitchen. I thought I was done for the day, but child, it's messed up. Look at this. Anyways, you guys won't see properly, but it's messed. So I also went to Sheet Street. I forgot about this, and I bought this lace rectangle. I don't know what these are, but I'm gonna put most of my things in, like the cleaning stuff and things like that. So let's get cleaning together, because I feel so good when I have you guys with me. Anyways, let's wash the dishes clean so that I can start cooking.